Hi everyone. I am on my way to Defiance. I just called the shop and they can get me in for an oil change. Now if I can get there in 20 some minutes, because it's overdue and it needs one. And then I'll have to get my Dodge in. I'll try to get my Dodge in maybe next week, or because I at least want to get the oil changed on this, because yeah, I have to go to Fort Wayne on Thursday, but I don't know if I'm going to use this or use my Dodge. I haven't decided yet, since I now know how to get to the doctor's office in Fort Wayne. I don't really need the navigation. I'm going to stop it right here. Please light.